queen, a king, put your hands up. If you're a queen, a king, put your hands up. Because your girl is back with another wig review. So I'm back with another wig review. Yeah, as y'all can see, my wig cap is sneaking and peeking. That's how you know I got a wig review coming for y'all. So today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Elemo hair company. And this they sell 100% virgin hair. And this is the bag it comes in. I'm gonna show y'all quickly what comes inside the box. So the hair that they sent me is their Body Wave 20-inch 5x5 closure, and it's pre-plucked. All the details will be in the description box, of course. So this is the hair. It looks jet black. I think that's what I love about it so far, because I did take a sneak peek. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Ready to try. We're gonna see if it's pre-plucked and glueless. So I already got a wig cap on already. I have some single braids underneath that I did. So I want this to be like a quick mini review tutorial. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is an images on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is an images on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. I know I look crazy, y'all, but this is what I like to do. Spray a little got to be and cut the edges off, because the edges, y'all see how the edges is always lighter than the actual wig cap, and then it don't look natural. You can see that little line right there. So I always like to cut it, even though it's a closure. I like to cut it, and we about to see. And I added makeup, as y'all seen. Added makeup on a lace, so we about to see. It feels nice and tight and secure. I could say about this wig is that I did see black dots. So you don't have to bleach the lace. You can literally just do what I did, add makeup, because this look good. It look a lot better than when y'all first this looks a lot better than when y'all first seen. And what I used was a wig healer. It's pretty much just like a creamy, it's kind of like a contour stick pretty much. So get you a creamy contour stick from your local store and just put that on your lace if you don't want to bleach it, because I didn't feel like bleaching it. So let's cut the lace. And the way I like to cut the lace, I always like to use a razor so it's not a uniform line. It's not straight, it gotta be zigzag. But I did bring my tweezers to pluck a little bit, so we gonna pluck. And as if you guys are new to my channel, I like to pull the hair back and pluck from behind. So pluck from behind the hairline, and we gon' do it. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, I want you around, back, y'all. So this is the finished look. This looks bomb, and I guess they was right. This is glueless. I didn't use no glue, as y'all seen. I used the Got to Be Free spray. Y'all know I hate this spray, but I don't know, me and this spray have a hate and love relationship. And this is their body wave, and I love it, y'all. And it's like I didn't even tie it down and it looks laid. And after I did the cap, I cut the lace. Y'all see I did a little baby hairs. I used the Got to Be gel, the black one. And then I put some mousse, smoothed it down, hot combed it, and melted it to my head, and there you go. So this is the end of the video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to get your glueless closure, and everything will be in the description box below. The link, the description, everything. All right, I love y'all. Bye.